What's going on YouTube? Tas Camping and Hiking Adventures. It's just, this is going to be a negative video because I'm pissed off. This is Cook's Beach, Freycinet, Cook's hut. What I've read and what I've seen about this hut, even if it's on Mountain Huts Preservation Society or in the Freycinet PDF, it's just, look, just here, look, just look. We've got a broken door. It's all original, which is cool. Yes, I understand that we've got to block off that so we don't cause a fire in a national park, but fuck's sake. Here, look, this is all wrecked. Can't even use that now, it's just all wrecked. PWS, this is my thoughts of PWS. All they want to fucking do is make money and not preserve any history like Mountain Huts Preservation Society do. Like, it's a fucking outstanding little hut. It's not that, you know, that there's no fireplace, or it's just bogans have gotten in here, and you know, when you get too many people in one place, they just, that's why that happens. Well, this is probably original. Like, look at all this shit. Just fuckwits. Look, someone's tried burning that. Look, they've put their fucking names in down here and shit. This is why I don't put up the locations of the huts. And this is what I've learnt. Like with the huts on Mount Kunyani, the secret huts. There's like 11 secret huts up there, and people know only about 4 or 5 of them. And this is what happens. It just gets fucking wrecked. I'm fucking pissed off. I'm pissed off.